Today we have a grammatically topic, basically structure. To express situation, position, state, condition, and information about subject and something. Situation. When we talk about situation is something that is coverance of something like a we are in a situation of up and down, live or death, something like this, and position. Talking about position, how the things are shifted with that is position and state. We are talking about which manner, whether it is for current or for far or far behind, far away, that is state. Condition. Condition is something we set a boundary for something. There is a conditional sentence where there is a boundary or limitation for something. That is condition. And information, and we know information is just a data, whatever we carry or forward, and we all know about subject for which we are talking about, that is basically subject, and something it is also for which we are talking about, otherwise in which way we are talking about, that is something. Now, in a first structure, subject is a noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. Subject. And this structure is used when we talk about something is going on in a present time, and we express what? Basically situation, position, state, condition, and information about subject or something in a present. When we talk about someone's situation in a present time, then we use this structure, whether position, state, condition, or information. Like I am the one who is going to be addicted by the curiosity concern. That's the example. I am the one who is going to be addicted by the curiosity concern. And also like a I am in Delhi. I am in something. I am at home. Something like this. And we know noun is a naming word and pronoun stand for noun, and what qualifies noun and pronoun, that is adjective, and what qualifies adjective or another verb, that is adverb. So in another structure, subject was a noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. In this structure, basically we talk about past, like I was at home at 7 o'clock. I was at home at 7 o'clock. And even we can consider I was curious about your concern. I was curious about your concern. Now in another structure, subjects will be noun, pronoun, adjective, and adverb. And this structure basically we talk about future, and we talk about what situation, position, state, condition, and information. That is similar. In every structure, we just talk about situation, position, state, condition, and information about subject or something. Subject or something. So, like, I shall be your best choice. And something like this. Now in another sentence structure, subject is MR to be noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. Similarly, in this structure, we are again talk about situation, position, state, condition, and information about subject or something. In near future, that is going to be happen in present, even also we can say that I am I am to be honest, I am to be honest for your opinion. I am to be honest for your opinion. In another, I am to be rich in kindness. I am to be rich in kindness. In another sentence, another structure, subject is am are going to be noun, pronoun, adjective, and adverb. Similarly, we just talk about situation, position, state, condition, and information about subject or something that is going to be happen in near future. Like we can say, science is going to be in a destructive way, in a destructive way, destructive way, destructive way, as long as long as without considering of without considering of discontinuity. Discontinuity. Science is going to be in a destructive way as long as without considering of discontinuity. Otherwise, we can also say that he is going to be he is going to be a good hearted one. Hearted ones. He is going to be a good hearted ones. Now in another structure. Means there is again similar. Subject plus EJMR plus going plus 2 noun and pronoun and adjective adverb. Basically, this is now going to be present continuous sentence just using of going to as in a structure manner. So we just use in a present way to represent or express situation, position, state, condition, and information about subject or something like he is going to London. She is going to destroy the idea about she is going to destroy the idea about about your pre-planned pre-planned journey. She is going to destroy the idea about your pre-planned journey. So, and we know here I is subject and like a EJMR and other things are other word like a using of noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. Again, there is a subject, shall will be, and again there is noun, pronoun, adjective, and adverb. We can use like when we want to use noun, just now, he will be a doctor. If we want to use pronoun, pronoun is what basically stand for noun. He will be her best choice. He will be her best choice. In a similar way, there is an adjective and adverb. Adjective is basically what which qualifies noun and pronoun. He will be good in cricket. So in a similar way, we can use a structure like this. And next video, we proceed the continuity as a structure, and there is also another topic is going on, that is pronoun. And last time we discussed about types of pronoun, basically which type of pronoun is. So in next video we proceed further.